Hi there. So, as we have done many projects using Arduino, now we are starting with the ESP32 module. So, as we can see that I have a ESP32 module here, uh, and it has many things in it. Like we have many two LEDs here. One is for power and one is for a common LED in our ESP32 module. So now let us see how to make this LED blink for 2 seconds and turn off for 2 seconds. So there is a code already in this. So whenever I'm connecting it with my PC, and one more thing, this will be using the other design of the USB cable. So we will insert this, and when I insert, we can see that the red LED is indicating that it is powered on, and the blue LED which is blinking, it means that our code is working properly. So as we can see that it is turning off for 2 seconds and turning on for 2 seconds. So that is our simple LED blink project for today. So let us see how to code this, and as we have seen the output, we will just see the code now. So let us see the code. Our ESP32 module, and this is a very simple code. So code is not going to change. This will be same as the the Arduino which we were writing. So pin 2 in some LED, in some ESP module, there will be GIPO named for the pins, and in some ESP development module, that is ESP Dev Module, will be having D1, D2, D3, and so on. So we are using D2, and the pin mode is LED is output. So we have only one output. We are not using any input or something. So the digital write, the LED should be high for 2 seconds, that is 2000 millisecond, and the LED should be low for 2000 milliseconds. So that is what we are defining. So we will verify this code, and let us see if there is any error. So as we can see that there are no errors in our code, I will select the board, that is communication 9, and in boards we have to write ESP32 Dev Module. So we should select only ESP32 Dev Module in our boards, and we have to select the correct communication port. And if we are if we are selecting any other like ESP32 C3 or C5, the we may not get the output, or there might be any trouble uploading the code. And after selecting the dev module, we will click on OK, and we can see that ESP32 dev module is connected to the communication port 9. And now I will click on upload, and we will upload the code. And the uploading of code for ESP is little bit different from the Arduino, like how we used to upload. And this will take some time to upload, like it will first compile and then upload for to the ESP board. As we can see that it has started to upload the code, and we can see that there is many things like writing at 0.0 into 00 something, and we should see the last line here, that is 100%. If there is 100%, that means the code is uploaded successfully. And you may ignore this line, that is hard resetting via RTS pin. So that is not so much important. And sometimes our code will be struck at uh, this point of the uh, uploading thing, that is connecting. And if in case the code is failed to upload after uh, connecting, then we may re-upload from the uploads, and while getting this message, we will be holding boot button till it continues to um upload, and after, and when we see this writing message, we may leave that boot button, and the code will be uploaded to the ESP32 successfully. So now we have learned how to upload the code, and how to make a very simple project using ESP32 module. So as we have seen in the starting of the video, that was the output. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.